Hello, trading is closed on April 11th, 2016. Over the weekend, I had a higher MEJT target of 2059.89, and that printed. I said there was a likelihood of a gap up, which happened, and I said if that happened, we had targets from the inverted diamond on stilts in the 2070s. Obviously, those didn't print, but the pattern doesn't have to go to completion, and we don't have to hit the targets in a day. This was the prior MEJT target, which we hit on the nose. During the day, in the morning, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print, which they did. Now says this drop is false, gives us a target of 2057.75, most likely to print tomorrow. Well, that's the target. It's not the only positive sign. We have a wall into the close, and we have an all-day drop which was unable to take out the low of the prior day. So what we need to do to continue the rally here is to gap up sharply and promptly take out today's high. The downside is this is a strong support level that we've revisited a number of times, and if it falls, it could fall pretty steeply. When I have conflicting signals like this, typically what happens is we have a gap opening and promptly trade out of the day's range, and that's what I think will happen. The next most likely is we close little change and have the move the following day. My indicators are saying we gap up. I'm not risking any money on that myself. I think the consequences of dropping here would be much too steep to risk taking that call overnight. And we've revisited this line so many times that I think it's a matter of time till it falls, even if it doesn't fall tomorrow. I think either under this low or over this high should be early buy. Should be easily seen before tomorrow's open, and even though my indicators point to the gap up, I'm not risking any money on it. I find it frankly a bit hard to believe, but that's what they say, and that's today's call.